Some stars evolve into very different beasts, known as variable stars. They become unstable and start pulsating, expanding and shrinking over a number of days or weeks and growing brighter and dimmer as they do so. RS Puppis is one such variable star, a type known as a Cepheid variable. It varies in brightness by almost a factor of 5 every 40 days or so, and is engulfed in a thick shroud of cosmic gas and dust. Hubble gazed at RS Puppis over a period of around 5 weeks back in 2010, observing it growing brighter and dimmer within its murky surroundings. This enabled scientists to create a time-lapse video that appears to show the gas around the star expanding outwards. However, this gas is not actually moving. It is an optical illusion known as a light echo.